Good afternoon and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. Today I'll be sharing with you foods that reduce bloating. Abdominal bloating is uncomfortable and often unnecessary. Intestinal gas may not actually make the abdomen bigger, but it can feel that way. Bloating is an issue caused by excess gas in the intestines. Some potential causes are stress, poorly managed gut issues, and what and how you eat. By eating the right foods and avoiding certain things, you can eliminate the problem and have your flat stomach back. Please reference my first video on what foods you should avoid that can trigger bloating. The link will be in the description below. According to experts, ginger is packed with pungent compounds, which are valuable substances that can soothe the digestive system and relaxes the muscles of the digestive tract. It also contains an enzyme that absorbs proteins, thus reducing protein-induced puffiness and gas. Add some ginger slices into a cup of hot water. Let them steep, then strain. Drink this solution 2 to 3 times a day. Fresh ginger can also be added to smoothies and salad dressings. Reach for some coconut water when you need to reduce bloating. It has the potassium content like bananas, so it helps regulate electrolyte levels and keeps fluid levels regular in our bodies. 1 cup of coconut water has 600 milligrams of potassium, which beats a banana's 422, and just tastes better than plain old water. Cucumbers can be consumed to reduce puffiness in your stomach. Cucumbers have been shown to inhibit the activity of pro-inflammatory enzymes. They contain quercetin, a flavonoid antioxidant that helps reduce swelling. Simply slice up a cucumber and eat it fresh, or swap sugary drinks with a glass of cucumber water. Foods rich in potassium, like bananas, plus avocados, kiwis, oranges, and pistachios, prevent water retention by regulating sodium levels in your body, and can thus reduce salt-induced bloating. The enzyme contained in papaya helps break down proteins in your GI system, which makes digestion easier. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, as well as fibers that support a strong digestive tract. Eat papaya whole and fresh, or blend it into a smoothie. Asparagus is an anti-bloating superfood. It helps flush out excess water, thus relieving any discomfort and bloat. It also contains prebiotics, which help support the growth of good bacteria. This helps maintain a healthy balance in your digestive system to prevent and/or reduce gas. Parsley and cilantro can help you reduce bloat. Both contain beneficial enzymes and phytonutrients that can serve as a natural remedy for common GI complaints. Parsley also acts as a diuretic and alleviates bloating by pushing excess water through your system. Pineapple contains a digestive enzyme called bromelain, which helps your body break down protein that otherwise could cause stomach issues. The stem and core of the fruit have a higher concentration of the enzyme, so try juicing the core and adding it to your favorite smoothie mix. Fennel is a digestive tract savior. The seeds have a compound that relaxes GI spasms and reduces irritation, which allows gas to pass and relieve bloating. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds in a cup of hot water. Let it steep, strain, and consume the liquid a few times a day. You can also chew on the seeds directly. Since ancient times, chamomile has been used as an incredible herb in treating bloating. Chamomile works brilliantly to soothe the stomach and reduce heartburn by using its antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties. Drink chamomile tea at least 2 to 3 times a day, before every meal. It has been confirmed that garlic is beneficial for the stomach. Garlic actively works to promote gastric flame while reducing the intestinal gas. Put some garlic cloves in water and boil them. Add a little cumin seeds and pepper to the solution. Strain the liquid and drink it several times a day. Thanks to the antispasmodic property, peppermint is able to reduce spasms in the digestive system, including bile duct, gastrointestinal tract, and gallbladder. As soon as you notice symptoms of bloating, Chew on some fresh peppermint leaves. You can also drink a cup of peppermint tea 2 to 3 times a day until the condition improves. Activated charcoal absorbs excess air in the digestive tract, as well as absorbs toxins which may be contributing to gas problems. Try taking a charcoal supplement before eating to help relieve gas and bloating before they start. Lemon is found to have an immense source of nutrients, which work well to flush out waste and toxins in the stomach. Simultaneously, the fruit is also able to promote the production of gastric juice, accelerating the process of breaking down food. Extract the juice from half a lemon and mix it with some warm water. Drink this 2 to 3 times a day. Other effective foods for bloating include apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, baking soda, pumpkin, and caraway seeds. Lastly, when you are alone, help eliminate trapped gas by lying on your back, putting your legs in the air, and moving them in a bicycle motion. I hope that these remedies will be able to help you relieve your bloating naturally. I appreciate you watching. Good day and good health.